Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your zodiac sign on Snapchat. Your zodiac sign is automatically assigned based on the birth date you provide when setting up your account. To update it, you'll need to navigate to your profile settings. Remember, Snapchat allows you to modify your birth date only a limited number of times, so ensure you enter the correct information to reflect your desired zodiac sign accurately. This process is straightforward and takes just a few moments. First, open the Snapchat application on your smartphone. Once it's loaded, tap on your Bitmoji or profile picture, which you'll find in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. This action will take you to your personal profile page. From there, look for the small gear icon, typically situated in the upper right-hand corner. Tapping this icon will open your account settings, where you can begin the process of updating your information. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the birthday option. Tap on this to access your current birth date information. Here, you can carefully adjust the month, day, and year to match the birth date that corresponds with the zodiac sign you wish to display. After making your changes, be sure to confirm them to save your new birth date. Your zodiac sign will automatically update to reflect this new information. It's important to remember that Snapchat usually permits only a limited number of birth date changes, often just a few times in total. Therefore, make sure the birth date you enter is accurate and the one you intend to keep. Also, be aware that altering your birth date could potentially impact access to certain age-restricted features or content within the app. Once saved, your zodiac sign will update instantly to reflect your new birth date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.